Looking to restore lost power, boost fuel economy, and keep your engine running smoothly in 2025? In this video, we review the top 5 best fuel system cleaners that truly deliver results. From improving throttle response to cleaning injectors and enhancing MPG, these picks are perfect for every car owner. Whether you drive daily or seasonally, fuel system care is key. Let's dive into the top products worth your money. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10512 Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is a powerful and cost-effective solution for restoring engine performance and fuel efficiency. Formulated with a high concentration of PEA detergent, this 16-ounce treatment effectively removes carbon deposits, eliminates knocking and pinging, and reduces harmful NOx emissions. It's designed for use with up to 30 gallons of gasoline, making it ideal for larger fuel tanks. Users consistently report noticeable improvements in throttle response, idle smoothness, and overall engine behavior, often within the first 20 to 30 miles of use. One reviewer used it across 3 different Toyota vehicles and immediately saw benefits, particularly in an older 2004 Tundra. Compared to popular alternatives like Techron or Redline SL1, Lucas Deep Clean stands out for its larger treatment capacity, higher PEA content, and better value per bottle. Motorcycle users also attest to its effectiveness. After using it post-storage, one rider experienced a clear boost in performance and responsiveness within just 30 minutes. The product comes well sealed with no leaks, adding to its reliability. If you're looking for a trustworthy fuel system cleaner that enhances performance, smooths idle, and gives you more cleaning power per ounce, Lucas Deep Clean is a top-tier choice. It's affordable, efficient, and like all Lucas Oil products, it just works. Number 4. Gum Out Fuel System Cleaner 10 fluid ounces is a compact yet highly effective solution for improving engine performance, fuel efficiency, and overall drivability. This formula is designed to boost octane, reduce emissions, and combat the negative effects of ethanol, which can degrade fuel systems over time. It also helps by reducing friction in the upper cylinder, contributing to smoother engine operation. Despite its small size, users report significant gains in both power and fuel economy. One user added the cleaner to a high-mileage vehicle with nearly 250,000 miles and immediately noticed improvements in engine response and gas mileage. Another user, running a direct injection engine, saw fuel economy jump from 21 to 23 mpg up to 30 mpg, a remarkable gain that underscores the cleaner's effectiveness. This gum out cleaner is especially beneficial for older or high-mileage vehicles, where carbon buildup and ethanol-related work can impact performance. The citrus-scented formula works well in a single tank of gas, making it a quick and simple treatment for routine maintenance or performance tuning. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, proven fuel system cleaner that delivers real-world results, Gum Out Fuel System Cleaner is a highly recommended choice. It's small but mighty and perfect for keeping your engine running at its best. Number 3. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is a premium 3-in-1 fuel additive designed to clean, stabilize, and enhance engine performance. Engineered for both modern and older engines, it not only helps maintain a clean fuel system, but also improves performance by boosting fuel economy by an average of 3.2% and increasing horsepower by 2.6%. It also plays a significant role in reducing emissions hydrocarbon by 12%, NOx by 13%, and CO by 18% on average. Real-world results back the claims. One user added Max Clean to a 2002 Porsche Boxster with 133k miles and a persistent check engine light. After use, the car ran smoother, and the CL disappeared permanently. Another reviewer shared that his daughter saw noticeable performance improvements in her 2015 Toyota Highlander after 2 treatments a month apart. Praised by car experts like Scotty Kilmer, Royal Purple Max Clean earns a solid reputation for its ability to resolve minor drivability issues, smooth out idle, and act as a reliable fuel stabilizer during off-season storage. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or reviving an older car, Royal Purple Max Clean is a versatile and effective additive that delivers real performance, better fuel efficiency, and longer engine life, all in one bottle. Number 2. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner, 20 ounces, is a top-tier solution for restoring and maintaining optimal engine performance. Designed to clean fuel injectors, combustion chambers, and intake valves, this fuel system cleaner is ideal for improving power, reducing hesitation, and enhancing fuel efficiency. Users consistently report noticeable results. One driver mentioned that their car, previously suffering from rough idling and sluggish acceleration, felt like new after a single treatment. The simple pouring process makes it incredibly easy to use. Just add it to your gas tank and drive. Another user emphasized a methodical approach for maximum effectiveness. Run the tank nearly empty, pour the full bottle in, then refill with no more than 6 to 8 gallons of gas and drive at highway speeds for at least an hour. According to them, doing this twice can yield the best outcome. Compared to similar store products, Techron Concentrate Plus stands out for its proven cleaning power and affordable price. It's supported by years of industry research and widely regarded as one of the most effective fuel additives available. If you're dealing with poor acceleration, low fuel efficiency, or general engine roughness, this cleaner is a smart, low-cost fix. Trusted, tested, and highly recommended, Techron keeps your engine performing at its best. Number 1. Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner 15 ounces, 2-pack, is one of the most effective and trusted fuel system cleaners on the market today. Formulated with a powerful blend of high and low temperature detergents, including a high concentration of PEA, polyethylamine. This cleaner goes beyond surface-level treatment, thoroughly cleaning injectors, carburetors, valves, and combustion chambers in just one use. What sets Redline apart is its efficiency. It boasts nearly 100% cleaning effectiveness in a single treatment, making it a favorite among automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. The 15-ounce bottle is well designed for easy pouring without spills or leaks, and the 2-pack format offers great value for regular maintenance or multiple vehicles. Users praise its real-world results. Many report smoother engine idling, restored throttle response, and even improved fuel economy after just one tank. It's also backed by solid technical documentation, unlike some cheaper competitors. Redline's MSDS confirms its high PEA content, around 34%, which is key to serious fuel system cleaning. Whether you're trying to resolve performance issues or proactively maintain your engine, Redline SI1 delivers top-tier results at a fair price. For anyone serious about keeping their engine clean and efficient, this cleaner is a no-brainer. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best fuel system cleaners in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more auto care tips and reviews. Got a favorite fuel additive we missed? Drop in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. Keep your engine clean and running strong. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.